7 infused water recipes that help you stop drinking soda. If you want to eliminate soda from your life, you can use some of these water recipes as its replacement. The water will help your organism work better, including numerous other health benefits. Some people cannot drink the recommended amount of water because it is not their preferable drink. Because water lacks flavor, infused water is the perfect combination, delicious and healthy. You are allowed to use numerous combinations of fruits and herbs. If you are a beginner in this cooking, we will share some exciting recipes. Firstly, you can make the recipe in 1 glass or a bigger container. Homemade infused water. Ingredients: a pitcher or glass, ice, a spoon. 7 infused water recipes. If you try some of these recipes, you will eliminate soda, and it won't be missed. 1. Thyme grapefruit lime water. Take your glass and add 4 cubes of ice. You should fill approximately half of the glass. Add slices of grapefruit, 4 slices of lime, and some fresh thyme. Use your spoon to put down the thyme in the glass, and add water. Stir with your spoon, and drink. Advantages: thyme is a medicine that has been used for centuries. It has high amounts of vitamin C, potassium, and manganese. Also, it is an anti-inflammatory herb. Lime is the vitamin C source that will boost your immune system. 2. Basil apple ginger water. Take your container, fill it halfway with ice. Then, pour 5 slices of a green apple, cut in thin circles, and add fresh ginger shavings, as well as 8 basil leaves. The last step is the water. Advantages: basil is the source of vitamin K, which will keep your bones strong and healthy, and your wounds will heal faster. Apples are rich in fiber, vitamin C, and polyphenols. Ginger is the best herb in the world and lowers inflammation. 3. Strawberry blueberry mint infused water. If you want to do this recipe, repeat the same steps with the ice and pitcher. Then add 1 handful of strawberries, as well as blueberries. Add water, and on top of everything, add mint leaves. Benefits: strawberries are rich in vitamin C and B9, also manganese and potassium. On the other hand, blueberries contain vitamin C and K, and manganese. These 2 fruits are the best antioxidants. 4. Lavender lemon water. Once you put ice in your pitcher, and 5 lemon slices, top it off with a few small handfuls of fresh lavenders. Benefits: lavender is the best stress reducer and eliminates insomnia. As previously mentioned, lemons are full of vitamin C, and your digestion will be as good as never before. 5. Cucumber mint lemon infused water. Cut half cucumber in very thin slices, and repeat the action with a 1/2 lemon. Then add the glass, pitcher, or jar. Add the cucumber and lemon, mixed with a few mint leaves. Cover everything with water and enjoy your drink. Benefits: cucumber has high amounts of vitamin K, and it will improve your digestion. The benefits of mint and lemon are mentioned above. 6. Green tea lemon mint water with honey. This is a cold green tea with lemon and mint. It has the same properties as an ordinary hot tea, but it's very refreshing during the summer. To make this drink, you need to repeat the ice steps and add the rest of your ingredients. You need to add 6 slices of lemon, a few leaves of mint, and some green tea. Mix the substances, and add honey on its top. Benefits: green tea is the best beverage on earth. It has numerous bioactive compounds that will reduce inflammation and stop cell damage. After a couple of usages, you will realize that it improves your metabolism and lowers the risk of cancers. The last ingredient for this sweet drink is honey. It is the best antibacterial and anti-inflammatory substance, and all cultures use it as a remedy. 7. Lemon grapefruit orange water with rosemary. The infused water will boost your immune system. You should cut 1 orange, pink grapefruit, and lemon into very thin pieces. Next, as we previously said, fill the glass with ice. Add 3 lemon slices, 2 slices of orange, and 3 grapefruit slices in the cup. As the last step, add a couple of rosemary sprigs and pour water. Benefits: you know that oranges are the source of vitamin C. They also contain a lot of calcium, so your body will produce more collagen, resulting in better skin. Rosemary will help your body to heal your wounds faster. The infused water will contribute to a better and healthier life. We need to face reality. Water on its own cannot be very interesting for drinking and can quickly get bored. So, We suggest combining it with these fruits to make it sweet. Enjoy!